just stand on tippy toe so that you can see where it ends. So the hair is like this. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. I hope I hope you're doing well, and I have been keeping very well. I haven't been this healthy in a very long time. For those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that I was quite ill the beginning of this year. Like I wouldn't get better, and it was like a cold, a flu, and oh my goodness, my immune system was just under attack. But now I am so much better. So today we are doing a crochet hairstyle, and I am just going to do the cornrows. I'll show you the pattern when I'm done, but I'm just going to do the cornrows for my hair. I will be right back. Yeah, so my hair is cornrowed, and now the crochet part. Okay, so the reason why I did this cornrow pattern is so that I can put my hair up in a puff. So if I was going to end at the back, it wasn't going to work, and then if I had lines going like this, it was not going to work. I wanted it all going up, and then yeah, this is the hair that I'm going to use. It's from Darling, and the color is white. It is called Bantu Locks. I don't know if you can see here. It is called Bantu Locks. I just love how it's so white. Like it is white. Snow white. Can you see how beautiful it is? I love it. Maybe I can even just do this first, go with it for a while, and then unravel it. Yes, I'm gonna do that. I don't want them too long, so I'm gonna have them like right in the middle. So because there's a braid here, I can actually do this and then put this in, pull it out, and then only take one. So and the end result is supposed to be like this, so that when I pull it out like in a ponytail, it doesn't show that it's not my hair as much as it is white. Yeah. So now I'm going to finish the crocheting and I'll be back. And I'm done. Let me not fool you guys. I got some help. I on a salon, by the way. I have got a natural hair salon, so the ladies in the salon were not too busy. I managed to find someone who was not busy, who had a slot open, and she helped me with this. Let me just stand on tippy toe so that you can see where it ends. So the hair is like this. And I ended up using 7 pockets of Darling hair, and it is the Bantu lock. That's what I use. They're not a lot in a pack, so yeah, it's not too heavy. Definitely not too heavy, and I love the length that I did as well. It's not too long. This is the hairstyle. Here's the back. I know it's hot in Qatar. It is very hot, and this is actually very brave of me to be having a hairstyle that is going to like hang, but yeah, I've got it all figured out. What I plan to do actually, I don't know how many hairstyles I'm gonna get from this particular installation, but I plan to have as many as possible, and most probably I'll take you along on the journey as I change hairstyles from this to like this is just simple locks. These are just simple crochet locks that I am going to wear until maybe tomorrow or even Sunday, and then on Sunday I think I am going to just pull it all out, like to open it up, but I can't show you now because I'm doing it on Sunday, and I'm going to make sure that I record when I do that. But this is today's hairstyle. All white hair, baby, without bleaching my own hair. The amazingness of hairpiece. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, and for subscribing, for liking my videos, for commenting, just to say hi sometimes, and just to cheer me on. I really appreciate you. Like, oh my goodness, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.